Foofy.
And my name is Tinky.
Today we're going to be doing Slime GLoop Laboratory. But before we start the video, you have to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get right into the video. This is what we're going to be doing. Let's open it up. Oh yeah. Okay. We gotta open this out first. Like this.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna start taking the stuff out now.
Wow.
We're gonna start taking the stuff out. These are the little containers. Thank you. What are you gonna take out? This is the activator. I don't really know what this is, but a cup for a thing. Oh yeah, and some glues. This is the white glue, and then we have some clear glue too. Put that right down. This. We have some foam.
We have some glitter balls.
Well, these are like water balls.
It's full and pink foam balls.
Yeah, they're more foam balls.
And paint.
Yeah, we have some paint.
And some glitter.
Yeah, and we have a lot more glitter.
Yeah.
We have some silver glitter. That's very pretty.
We'll get out the purple one.
And a lot of glitter, actually.
Lots of
We
glitter.
have some chunky glitter here, but it's not really that chunky, see?
And
then there's another chunky glitter.
Guys, yeah.
And then there's some silver
Purple.
glitter and more chunky glitter.
I don't know if
Oh
this is
yeah, and there's also some gold glitter and some blue glitter.
purple
Yeah, and that's it. Oh yeah, and there's also
blue
this spoon.
and green
It comes with this spoon
and yellow
and this
and
stick to
orange
mix.
and
And
red.
this spoon.
I mean, yeah, pink. You know what I mean.
In the food coloring. Okay guys, now we're going to make the activator. So first things first, we need the powder and we need the spoon. And we need 1 spoon.
Oh my god, don't waste it.
Stop. Okay, put it under your hand. We need 1 spoonful of it.
Don't waste it.
Well, okay, that's enough.
That
I don't want to put too much.
Can I put it in? Oh man, I want to put it in.
Mix. Okay. Now we gotta mix until it all dissolves.
Now you have to put the glue in.
No, now we have to mix until it all dissolves. Okay, it's all dissolved. Now we're gonna set that to the side. Okay, so first we gotta put the glue in this
I gotta open
little
this
container.
so we can get my glue
You gotta put about
So my glue. This much glue.
there.
And then
That's enough.
Oh, I have to put
Now
glue
we're
on my
going to
cup.
put it
I have
in.
to put glue on my
Now I'm going to pour this glue into this cup. I need a little more glue. Gotta open the glue back though. Okay. I got to, okay, that's enough. Glue. Now I'm going to close the glue and pour it in here. Just put it all in there. Start putting the activator. I want to grab this, and there you go. And that's enough. Gonna pour it in here slowly, and I'm gonna pour it some, and I'm gonna start mixing. A little more. And I'm gonna finish mixing. I'm gonna pour the rest of it in there. I'm gonna help Tinky's with hers.
Yes,
Tinky,
take it over
how do
there.
you think it's going to turn out?
Good.
Okay.
Hold it look. It looks like when you squirt it in, it goes down like ice cream.
That is cool though.
I know it messed up like first it'd be the poop, then the poop went down, and then turned to ice cream.
Okay, that's enough.
Pour it in now. Pour it in.
Pour it in.
Pour it all in. It looks like there's still some in there.
Now, pour the rest there. Okay, now I'm going to pour the water.
Water.
To here.
The water. Once you put the water and you pour it in a cup.
There you go. Done.
And
Now, here you go. Now pour it into the cup.
it's hot. All of it?
Yep, all of it.
Oh, that's the glue.
Pour it in there.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh.
Here, wanna mix
Oh,
it?
it's on the side,
Yeah,
yes.
now mix it.
I'm gonna mix it.
Okay, guys.
Actually,
now we're going to both mix ours, but we're going to use straws to get the color out because they only gave us one stick straws. And
Can I hold one?
yeah, what color do you want?
I told you already.
I forgot.
Red.
Okay, red.
I mean pink. Yeah, pink. I'm talking to myself.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Here, let me get the. Okay, now.
Oh my
that
gosh.
much. Here you go. Put that in there and then mix it.
Put the straw in there?
I'm gonna put.
Okay, now.
Yeah, put the
It's
straw.
pink.
It's pink?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's pretty color.
Hey, don't touch it.
Mix it. I'm gonna make a
Pink.
orange one. I'm making a
I
orange
make
slime.
nice.
An orange slime. And mine is
It won't show anything.
okay, guys. Now we're gonna start mixing the color into our slimes.
Yeah, look at mine.
Mine is orange. Hers is pink.
Yeah, it's a perfect pink.
But they're kind of they're different
I
because
want to pour it on
hers
my
is because hers is a white slime. She got white slime and she put red food coloring in it and it turned pink. And I got a clear slime and it's orange.
Can I see what's
Mine
on
is orange. You can't really see it because it's clear,
Can I look at your
but it's a pretty
Can I look
orange
inside your
color.
cup?
See?
Can I look inside your cup?
It's a pretty orange color. See?
Ooh, it looks like
See,
oranges.
it's a pretty orange color.
Oranges.
Okay, now I'm gonna finish mixing it.
Mine smell like Chardonnay.
I use the snow in my slime, but I
Actually,
should use this one. Okay, so now we're gonna pick the decorations for our slime. And we also have some snow for our slime.
I'm gonna pick this.
She got the pink glitter. And what
And
should
snow.
I get? And
And
I'm gonna get this blue glitter
I'm gonna
and
get
these
snow.
beads.
I'm gonna
So, I'm
pick
gonna
these
these
two.
right
Snow
here.
and glitter.
Okay.
Shake,
I'm gonna also use some snow. So let's
I
get
use
started. Oh, I might even use these foamies.
I'm not
too.
gonna squish it. I'm just gonna take that right.
Why'd you do that? Now the glitter over your hands. I want to start putting our decorations in. I want to put
You
these
don't
in.
your diamond.
A little bit wet. I don't want to put that much, so I'm just going to pour a
I'm
little.
taking most of your diamond. I'm taking most of your diamond.
Want some? I put too much.
Sure. You put too much. Oh, stop now. Stop now.
This looks like an ice boba.
I'm
A pink ice boba, and that's actually the thing. Oh, I didn't actually put too much. Ooh, it looks pretty. It looks like there's crystals in my stuff. Let me use some of these foam balls. More of these foam balls. I want to smell these foam balls. Oh, that's enough. I don't want to put too much.
Can you give me some foam balls? Yeah. This is good.
There you go.
Okay, that's it.
I'm going to use some snow.
Oh.
I really want these. Put some snow in yours. Now put some snow in mine. Want some more snow?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. The snow is almost out. And mix this.
Throw it on it. Can you give me some of this glitter now?
This glitter?
Yeah.
Oh, it's going to spill. Here you go.
a little to go after. No, a little this. No, a little this one.
The silver one?
Yeah, silver.
Ooh, it's gonna be a glitter bomb.
God,
I'll put some blue. You want some blue
that's
glitter?
pretty.
Want some blue glitter?
Sure.
Like that much. I don't want to mess up my slime color.
Wow,
Okay.
this looks pretty.
Ooh, that's actually a pretty color. It's turning brown now because I put the glitter. Look, it's turning brown. Okay, guys, now time to put the activator. Okay? Okay. We're gonna help putting it. There's some more.
What is this, guys? What is this?
Okay, now
What is that?
guys, it's working. It's turning into slime. Look.
Ooh, that shaky up.
Okay, guys, it's turning into slime.
I want
Look at
mine
it.
to slime.
Okay, let me put some activator.
Mine
in
is
yours.
slime.
We're gonna see how it turns out, guys. Okay. Oh, not even came out. Okay, guys, let's see how hers turn out. I don't think it's gonna work because yeah, something's wrong with her slime. Well, whatever this is.
The activator on me.
Okay, come on, let's see what it turns into. What even is this? It's almost slime. I'm gonna have to start working it in a minute.
Is mine slime?
Okay, I'm gonna have to start working this in a minute because look at it.
Oh, mine is slime.
Hers is almost slime. It's not done yet. Put it back in there. What is wrong with your slime, lady? Ooh. Tinky, stop putting it on your hand.
Look, I thought my stuff was slime. It was black to my hands.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix it and see what it turns into. Her stuff. Oh no, it's actually turning into slime.
My hands.
Hers is actually turning into slime, I guess. Whatever.
I thought my stuff was slime. And
Let's see what this is. What is this? This is disgusting. I'm not touching that. That's disgusting. Yeah, I'm gonna finish mixing my slime, so I just need a little more activator.
Guys, it's not nothing. It's slime.
Okay, now we're gonna mix mine. I'm gonna start mixing mine with my hands in a second. I'm just add a little bit more activator. Just a little because I don't want to use
I need some more glue. I get some more glue.
The glue will not help it.
Yes, it
At
will.
all.
Yes, it will. Yes, it will. Can you add one more glue?
No.
Yes, it will.
No, the glue won't help it.
Yes, it will. I'll try.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna start working this in.
Okay, never mind.
Guys, I'm gonna start working this in with my hands. Let's see how it turns out. Whoa, guys, it's working. Look.
Mine won't.
Look at this.
Look it.
Look.
Oh, it's spinning. Look. Yes. Can I
Ooh,
still back
look
in?
at it. It's so crunchy.
Oh, gosh.
But it's so crunchy.
Look,
I actually put too much stuff in my slime butt.
Look, I put too much.
Okay, this is my slime butt. It's not really slime. I put too much
You guys
activator.
can
It's just
see. Look. It's wasting all on the table. Look. All this fell on the table. Look at the table. I gotta put this back in. I need to add a
Look
little
at my
more
fingers.
glue.
I took the rest of it out. Okay.
Yeah, it will help.
Activate.
I think. Yes, it will.
The glue won't help. I promise, Tinky. Oh my gosh, you're just gonna make it sticky.
No, it's not.
Now look at my slime, guys. Well, mine. What if I try to make snow? I will try to make snow.
Glue.
Okay, she just stole my slime.
No, I didn't.
I just poured the rest of the snow into this cup, and it was a very bad idea, and I don't know why I did it. But more
I have to fix my slime.
It's beads falling out of it, but that's okay, okay?
Okay,
There's stuff
now
all over the table.
fix my awesome.
Whoa, there's literally snow on the table.
Look, I have glue
That
all
is
over
so
my hands.
awesome.
Look at my
Look at
hands.
this,
It's little
literally.
glue. Look at my slime now.
Just the
Look at
slime
my
stuff
slime,
in my
look at my
stuff,
hands.
so I'm gonna get the slime.
Slime in hands.
So this
Slime
goes
in
like
hands.
slime
Slime in
stuck
hands.
in the bottom of my
Slime in
cup.
hands. Slime in
That's
hands.
sticky. There's still glue stuck in in the bottom of my cup, so I'm just gonna make that into
Look at my hands. And someone put the camera in. Ooh, again. Look at my hands. I'm so angry. My hands are like this.
Well, guys, this is how the slime turned out. They didn't really come out that good. But if you want to see more videos, make sure you like,